Yo guys, this is Gavin here, doing another unboxing parcel as you can see. And here I go. I wonder what it's going to be. So I'm just going to use my keys because it's got sellotape. So here we go. Oh gosh, this is going to be tricky because it's quite hard because I've got to be careful because I don't want to damage the item. Oh, this is going to be going to be good. This is what I like. And guess what it is? It's another Bart Simpson clock. I actually can't believe it. I've got another Bart Simpson clock. I just showed you my other one, what I just showed you. So here it is. I have two Bart Simpson clocks. So I've just unboxed that one, what I just showed you. So here's the other one. I'm not sure if it's got batteries in it, but let's have a look. And I'm going to take it out of a box. This is what it says on the back. He said at the back, "Hey man, aren't you out of bed yet?" This is actually good. It's even got its own visual box. I was so amazed that I was the highest bidder. I hate bidding on eBay, but I was so lucky to get this. So, thank God. So I'm going to take him out the box. I think it hasn't got batteries in it. So, no, it's got batteries in it yet. So I'm going to put some batteries in them now. So, what batteries do it take? Oh, it takes double A's. That's good. So I'm just going to put some double A's in them and see if he works. Because I thought, okay, I'll buy him. Because I love Simpsons. As people know, I keep getting them. This is what it comes in. It's quite a big box. I'll be back. Just going to get some double A's. I can't believe that I finally got some Simpsons clocks. Right, here I've got the double A's here. So, how do I do this? I use the batteries I use are Duracell. I'm gonna have to buy some more Duracells because just in case I have a few others Simpsons clocks coming. So here we go. Ooh, it's come on. Is it going to work? Let's see if it works. Alarm, snooze, alarm off. So to make it talk. Oh. Not sure how to make him talk because it's the first time ever I bought this one. But if I make it talk, I will do another video of him. You know what? I was so pleased to get this. Just need he's got he's got a few marks in him, but I'll probably film him a bit more. If I start making him talk, I will do another video, guys. So that's the Bart Simpson clock, what I finally got a hold of. So guys, if anyone's got questions of this Bart Simpson clock, leave me a comment below. I'll get back to you. And the make of her, no, it come out. Ooh, it doesn't say. Is it supposed to say when it would release? Let's have a look. Wesco's. No, it was made in China. It says, but it hasn't got a release date. Not sure what it does, but I'll probably figure out how to get it working. So guys, cheers.